Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Can you hear me? ได้ยินไหมครับ Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's start with the Google. No, course syllabus. Google Classroom. Yes. Okay. So we are here. Today is November the 4th. Okay. We have couple weeks left. We will have no class next week because I will be at Chulalongkorn for a conference. Okay. So no class next week. And we will come back on November the 18th, and we will end on November the 25th. Okay. And so now I already posted solid proposal. Already posted this assignment, and learning story I just posted, and learning event observation and future learning event. Number 3 and number 4 gonna be your group assignment. So okay, so you work with your friend, you go to learning event. Okay, I think this week, next week, and the week after. So they're gonna be learning events at Salaya campus. Okay, so it's your chance to go there. I want you to go there. You don't have to register for learning event. It's not requirement. It's not a requirement. Just go there and then observe what they do. Uh, and then make sure you take a picture of your group photo to show that you you there for the event, and then you may observe what they do, and then make a PowerPoint file or Canva file, up to you. So this one gonna be I need only the presentation file, PowerPoint file. I think Canva should be okay. Okay, so I already posted here learning event observation, and then future learning event. So I want you to propose a theme. If you're gonna be a future organizer, so just propose a theme and then make a PowerPoint file, presentation file here. You just submit to this Google form. For any event observation, you just I don't have one. I will put a Google form here. I already did. Okay, I will put a yeah, I will add a Google form here. I forgot that. Okay, and from the chat, you can go to a mini marathon is okay. Okay, any running event is okay, but for run club, it's not okay. Okay, run club, I think they going to organize in different way, because it's run club. It's not like it's not. I think it's just like a private meeting, in my opinion. So if you join a run club, probably it's gonna be different from a running event. A running event is gonna be a race. They're gonna have like trophy, and they may have like a pacer. To if you go there, I want you to go there to observe what they do. Okay. So I hope you learn from something from my class. That's all I need. Okay. So you can go to a mini marathon, a half marathon, or a full marathon. It's fine. Okay. And I have an announcement, because I don't know. Now, we have some of you who have not defended your running proposal yet, about like a 30 student here. I'm not sure if you're going to do by the end of this semester, but anyway, if you, I just post an announcement that, okay, I already released learning story assignment, okay, learning story assignment, and you need to finish this assignment by this semester. That means, you need to submit this assignment, and then I put a green color, and then I upload your work to the YouTube channel. That means you file for this assignment, but you have to finish all other assignment too. Okay. But anyway, if you get an I grade, that means you have some missing assignment, and you need to correct your grade and also submit your learning story. I will I will increase the distance from 10 kilometers to 21 kilometers. Okay. That means you need to run 21 kilometers in a one shot. Okay. In a one shot, up to you. If you want to run 10 kilometers and then you take a nap for 6 hours, and then you up again and then run another 10 hours. 10 kilometers is fine, no problem. I need only one shot. That means you need to show me the map. Okay. For this class, for now, you just need to show me a picture. A picture. Yeah, a picture of your, I forgot to mention your course map in the your learning story too. Okay. So don't forget to, I need you to, your video must be longer than 4 minutes. Okay. Longer than 4 minutes. And then this include the learning map in the video. Okay, in the video. So for this class, that means if you pass this class, okay, you just run only 10 kilometers. But anyway, if you in any way, if you forget to finish my class, and then you forget to submit learning story, and then you come back to me to collect your grade, I will ask you to run 21 kilometers. Okay? And one more thing, next time if I open this class again, the distance, the required distance, I will increase up to 42.195 kilometers. Okay, so please finish your work as soon as possible. Okay, as soon as possible. We have some only like 3 weeks left before the end of this semester. Any question? Any question? Any question? For now, 10 kilometers. For now, according to your proposal, is 10 kilometers. At least 10 kilometers. You can run longer than that. But if you know what I mean. So if you no, case one, probably case one, you submit your work to the Google Class, to the Google form, and then I say, oh, your clip is okay, and I also upload your work to the YouTube channel. That you file. Okay, even though you get an I because of you have other missing assignment, you file, no problem. But case two, you forget to submit your learning story assignment, and then you get an I, and you come back to me, and you want to correct your grade. I will ask you to run 21 kilometers. Okay, and so the requirement for 21 kilometers gonna last probably like 6 months, I guess. 6 months, 7 months, or 8 months. I plan to open this class again in the first semester of 2026 academic year. That means starting, if you come back again in August, I think there's some students who get an I and then they some of them just leave this class too long. Starting this next August, if you come back to collect your grade and then you have not submitted your learning story assignment yet, you need to run 42.195 kilometers. Okay. But for now, 10 kilometers. At least you can run longer than that in one shot. Okay, in one shot. For future learning event, I think you just propose a theme. You just make a slide, a presentation file, a theme. For example, um, not last Sunday, the Sunday before this Sunday, right? On October 26th, I went to a learning event organized by Lazada Run. They they set up a team for 5 kilometers by collab with PopMart. Okay, for I think this distance is very, this race for 5 kilometer race with PopMart. I think this one is very interesting because they're gonna be so many people. Usually, if for any running event, the percentage for male runner and female runner gonna be like 80% gonna be male, 20% gonna be female. But for PopMart, I guess gonna be like a 50 and 50, 50 and 50. So many female runner came to the event. So you just propose a team, okay? A team you like to, if you're gonna be an organizer, you don't have to give me the detail. I don't want to know that yet. Just propose a theme first. What you want to do? You may want to run for, the blue planet. Want to run for any special thing, up to you. Just propose something. Okay. What else? You have any other question? Any other question? Okay, no question. If some of you like to give a presentation on your learning story proposal, please go to the chat and then give me your name. Okay, and so I will open your file and then you give a presentation. Let's see. Okay, is it you turn off the microphone?
Oh, okay. Um, เริ่มเลยนะครับโอเคครับ
Mhm.
Okay, for my running story, my goal is to complete the 10 kilo course around the Lumpini Park, Bangkok. One round of the Lumpini Park is about 2.5 kilometers. I run 4 rounds to complete the 10 kilometers. And I have some special that this is my objective. I need the run that within the pace of the 7 minutes per kilometers. And this is my course map. I start at the Lumpini Park Gate 3 and run clockwise 4 times and return to the Gate 3. Yeah. And scroll down, please. Okay, and this is my running progress in the my first progress. I try to run about 2.3 kilometers, but my average pace is around 10 per kilo. Is so slow in my first attempt. I think it should be fixed it. And next is my second progress. Can you scroll down, please? Okay. And and after I tried 10 kilometers in the second attempt, it's worse than the first one because my strength is not enough to go all in the 10 kilometers. And this is why I try my objective to the pace 7 pace minute per kilometers. And scroll down, please. And this is my running plan. My travel plan is travel from the Rajtevi station BTS to the Chitlom, and I walk straight to the Lumpini Park. I expected that my arrival time is around 5 p.m. And nutrition for that day, I think I have 4 course, pre-runner meal, pre-runner snack, and during lunch and after lunch. And for the pre-runner meal, I have it's a full meal like a scrambled egg and white rice. For pre-run snack, like a small bar energy and some water. And during the lunch, because it has a long run, I need to take some the water along the lunch. And after lunch, I drink the electrolyte like a sponsor, like some energy drink after that too. Okay, that's it. That's all. Thank you.
นี่ครับ Let me clarify something that I just mentioned at the announcement. So if even though you presented your running story proposal, and in some cases you forget to submit your running story assignment, when you come back, that means you will get an I grade. And when you come back to me, probably like in January forward, you are required distance here will be increased to 21 kilometers. So 21 kilometer gonna be the requirement starting from January to like July. And if I start the first semester of 2026 academic year, in any case, if there's somebody take my class, I will increase this one to 42.195 kilometers. So, okay, hope you understand that. So please finish your work as soon as possible. Okay, next one. Yanin ครับ Yanin.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so Today I'm going to talk about my running story proposal. Before I'm going to start about the progress, I want to talk about my background first. So I used to be a runner when I was a student. I always enrolled the running competition during the sport day, and I always get in the first or second place. And when I at the high school, I just stopped doing the running. So later in college, I want to enroll in the marathon story to gain more muscle and weight, and also my stamina because my health is in a bad condition. So I start doing a workout. So in my first progress, I didn't do warm up or stretching. I just suddenly started running, and I only bring a bottle. So I finished in 2 kilometers in 30 minutes. And the result is I was very tired and my leg was hurt for a long day. So my second progress, I have eaten before doing some running and I done stretching and I also walk for 15 minutes, which is a warm up for me. After that, I done running. I have done for 3 kilometers in 30 minutes. The result is not as try as the first progress. So the next page is my map course. The left one is the first progress, and the second one is the second progress. And the next page is the final that I'm going to do. So I'm going to run around my village at Tianhele, and the distance is going to be about 10 to 12 kilometers. That's all.
โอเคครับ next is กล้องขวัญป่ะครับ
ใช่ค่ะของขวัญนะคะ
ของขวัญเหรอ
ค่ะ
โอเคครับ
โอเคค่ะเริ่มได้เลยนะคะ so I completed 2 running session for my running story. So both of the place are the route that is closer to my house. So my parents take me to both of the route. So the first place I went to is an open rooftop area at Central Westville. So like on the rooftop is like kind of like a small park. Is actually up for people to walk around with their dogs and stuff. So people also go there to run and walk as well. I decided to run at night around 7 p.m. to avoid heat and sunlight. The outfit I wear was comfortable running shoes, shorts, and a sheer t-shirt. So to help with the ventilation and comfort for warm weathers. I also bought bottle of water to stay hydrated throughout the session. Before I start running, I perform a dynamic warm-up, including leg swing, lateral leg swing, knee sweeps, high kicks, and butt kicks for about 10 repetitions per legs or per rounds to help with me activate my muscle because I don't usually do a lot of running. I do exercise like regularly, but I don't tend to do much of cardio, so my body is not that strong. So that's the reason why my goal for the first session is to complete 4 kilometers at steady and manageable pace. The rooftop provide an open, breezy environment, but the air maintain warm even at night. Because that was my first session, I focused on pacing myself and maintaining consistency rather than speed. And once I finished, I cool down with static stretches, focusing on my legs and lower body to reduce tightness. And although I feel tired, I also experience a sense of accomplishment and That is for my first running progress. If you slide down, you can see the running maps. Because like the area is very small, so I just run around in circle. That's why the map is a little bit messy. And can you move down? Thank you. So for my second running session, I picked a different place. One of the reason being that like the first place area was too small. That's why like the running map is a little bit messy, and I want it to be better. So I chose the Princess Mother Memorial Park, which is also nearby my house. I also picked the similar time, which was around 7 p.m. to avoid heat. Just like the first session, I also perform the same dynamic warmed up before I start. And for this second session, I increased my distance to 5 kilometers. Oh, and I forgot to mention that for the first session, I finished 4 kilometers in 45 minutes. And for the second session, I finished 5 kilometers in about 50 minutes. So I could feel that like I was able to manage the consistency better and also manage my body better. After I finished, I cooled out with static stretch once again. I noticed that my recovery was smoother and muscle soreness was less intense. And yeah, that is all for my presentation.
How about your final running story? Where gonna be?
I think I'm gonna do at the Princess Mother Memorial Park again because the area is very suitable for running for me, and I kind of compared to
Yeah.
the first one, I
So
like it better.
So this gonna be your course map.
Sorry.
So this gonna be your course map because you haven't shown me the course map of your final running story. Show me only the first progress and then second progress. How about
Yeah.
your final one? Where is it?
Like the map for the final one.
Mhm.
I think I got that confused.
And you include that one too, and then you come back to me.
Is it okay if I include the next week? I think I understand this assignment wrong.
Okay, can you come back to and can you literally submit and then you just include the course map of your final running story?
Okay.
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 Yeah. You just resubmit and then you just post in the chat that you will go to the next turn, and then you don't have to present everything. Just show me the course map.
Okay.
Okay. Jack home.
Running story proposal summary. My project, my running progress toward the final event aim to improve my fitness, endurance, and mental discipline training. And first running progress 5 kilometers in 53 minutes. Location around the Mahidol University Saraya campus. Feeling focused, breathing, fit, try, but finish strong. And second running progress, location Saraya Niwet village. Feeling focused and breathing, feel try, but finish strong. Yes, and final goal, join the Bangsan 42 marathon with a target time of 5 hours 30 minutes. Yes, in the course map, first running, second running, and final goal. And training continue 4 and 5 a week with graduate distance increase and purpose strengthening. Yes, thank you.
So are you going to Bangsan 42?
Yes.
This week? You already register, right?
No register. On my plan on my side in future.
In the future?
Yes.
But your final sun learning story, you have to learn.
And in the event, Mahidol University.
But you don't have to show. So gonna be the same as ของขวัญ. So if I probably you need to modify your proposal here. Otherwise, when I come back to check your proposal, I will think that, oh, you will go to run with me at Bang San 42.
Yes, my future.
Seems like it's only your dream, right? It's your future plan.
Yes.
But I don't
future.
need your plan now. I need a solid plan that you want to run for your running story assignment. I need you to show me where you are going to run for your final running story here.
Okay.
Go back to modify your hobby. You need to show me where you going to run for your final running story. Okay, and also the cost map.
Okay.
You need to run at least 10 kilometers. But if you leave it after the semester, the distance will increase to 21 kilometers. And if you leave it too long, for example, leave it to like next August, I will increase the distance to 42.195 kilometers. So you have to go to Bang San 42.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
please go back to modify your proposal. Okay.
Okay.
พัฒนัน Pathanan, are you here?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so my plan is to run 10 kilometers at Benjakiti Park, which takes around like 2 rounds of running the whole park. And for my preparation, I planned it for like 4 sections. And first and my second progress is the first section is about like 1 to 2 kilometers per day, which is, can you please go down, please? Which the running map is like down there.
Which one? Which one? The running map is here, right?
That's the like final one that I planned to do.
Okay. And this one, your first progress and the second progress.
Yes.
Right? Okay.
I ran down my like dormitory.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Thank you.
And now what? Are you here?
Okay, I'm here. Oh, sorry. Can I change camera? Can you see me?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna talking about my running proposal. Okay, first, I have become to running because I was to overcome my resilience and start exercising. Because I learning as a computer engineering, I need to exercising more. Yeah. Okay, let's talk about my first progress. My first progress is on September 8th. First process, I was running for 2 kilometers. Yeah. The pace is 9 minutes and 25 seconds. I think my first time is very bad because I not have many power to run faster. Okay, and I forgot to adapt and try to breathing. I have to drink more. Okay, next page. And next is my running progress 2. It's on September 14. my distance improved to 4.72 and time is 38 minutes and 21 seconds. And my pace is better. My pace is 8 minutes and 3 kilometers. So, okay, my second run, I feel I could run more efficiency and I try more slowly to find a better running rhythm. Yeah, this time I have warm up to decrease my injury after running. Okay. And next is my running goal from my running story. My running goal is in my running is in Mahidol University. I choose Mahidol University because it's near my house. Yeah, and it's have a very nice environment to run. Okay, I like to run as 17 o'clock. So I start from the football field, run to gate 6, and go back to faculty of Library Art, and then run to gate 4 and gate 2. Run past Mahidol Learning Center and return to the point from this route. Okay, this running up I have a reference from Mahidol running event in Facebook page that I have covered it about 10.5 kilometers. Thank you.
โอเคครับ กิตตลักษณ์
I'm
Gittala.
here. So can you see me?
Yes.
Okay. So about my running story proposals for my 10-kilometer run. In my calculation, one lap around Mahidol University is approximately 3 kilometers. So I plan to complete full 3 laps. Then the last lap is cutting to the MLC building. Then back to my starting point at engineer building in front of university. So my pace in running, first 3 laps I about to walk at a 10 minutes per kilometer. Then my final lap I gonna jog as fast as possible to finish my goal. Then we're going to talk about my first running. My first run is jog around Mahidol University at average pace of 8 minutes per kilometer. Then my starting point is in front of engineer building. So go to my second run. My second run is it's not a run, it's just long walk to MLC building from my condominium in front of Tăng Sinh. Soy Tăng Sinh. Okay. Okay. Distance is quite long, 5 kilometers. Yeah, about that. My pace is 11 minutes per kilometer. Thank you.
โอเคครับ ใช่ Is there anyone else want to give a presentation? Nobody? ไม่มีแล้ว Okay, if nobody, okay, we have no class next week because I will be at Chulalongkorn University for a conference. So I don't think I have time to log into the Zoom. They're gonna have a welcome party, I guess, a welcome party during this time. So, you have any question about this class?
อาจารย์ครับ ขอถามเป็นภาษาไทยนะครับ
ครับ
10 กิโลวิ่ง 10 กิโลส่งโพสต์ไหนนะครับ
12
ส่งโพสต์ 12 อันนี้คือผมไปวิ่งกับเพื่อนมาแล้ว แต่ว่าวิดีโอไม่ได้อัด 4 นาทีอะครับ ผมเป็นคลิป before after มา
ต้องเป็น4 นาทีเพราะว่าไม่งั้นถ้าไม่เป็น4 นาทีประเด็นมันคือ เวลาผมอัพโหลดไปใน YouTube มันจะอะไรมันจะเปลี่ยนเป็นช็อต
อ๋อ
พอมันเปลี่ยนเป็นช็อตอ่ะแล้วคราวเนี้ยปัญหาของผมนะปัญหาของผมไม่ใช่ปัญหาของพวกเราก็คือว่า ผมต้องการจะบอกว่าผมให้เกรดโอสำหรับคนที่ได้1K คราวเนี้ยคนที่เป็นช็อตเนี่ยอัลกอริทึมมันจะขึ้นแบบอัพเลยอ่ะ
อ๋อเข้าใจครับ
แบบว่ามันจะขึ้นแบบว่า ผมไม่แน่ใจนะบางทีมันก็ดีบางทีมันก็แบบขึ้น500แล้วมันก็หยุดเลย
ครับ
ถ้าคนที่เป็นวิดีโอปกติอะมันอาจจะ10 วิว20 วิวอะไรเงี้ยมันเปรียบเทียบไม่ได้ไง
อืม
ประเด็นของผมคือตรงนั้นคราวนี้ของเราอ่ะไม่รู้ละทำไม่ได้4 นาทีอ่ะแต่ก็อย่าให้แบบว่านั่งคุยเอาให้มีวิ่งเยอะหน่อยอ่ะ
ครับ
ให้มันมีวิ่งเยอะหน่อยอืมนั่นแหละนี่คือประเด็นของผมว่ามันต้องเลยมันก็เลยจริงๆมันแค่3 นาทีแต่ผมอัพเป็น4 นาทีไม่งั้นเดี๋ยวมัน2.59แล้วเดี๋ยวมันก็จะเป็นช็อตอีกผมก็เลยเอาเพิ่มมาสัก1 นาทีเป็น4 นาทีแทนเนี่ยอันเนี้ยครับอันเนี้ยสุดท้ายเนี่ย12เนี่ย
นะครับ โดยที่ในคลิปต้องแนบ running map ไว้ด้วยใช่ไหมครับ
ถูกต้องครับ
โอเคครับ
สำหรับไฟนอลจริงๆ
ครับ
เราควรต้องมี เดี๋ยวผมเขียนใหม่ต้องมี first progress second progress แล้วก็อันสุดท้าย ผมว่ามันได้อยู่แล้วอ่ะมันไม่ได้
นะ
4 นาที
งั้นถ้าเกิดผมน่าจะเพิ่มเล่า first progress กับ second progress ก็น่าจะ4พอดีแล้วนะครับ
ก็นั่นแหละก็น่าจะได้แหละ
โอเคครับ ขอบคุณครับ
โอเค I forgot นะ forget everything and second progress in the PO2 เอ้อโอเคครับ any question มีคำถามไหมครับคำถามถ้าไม่มี โอเคครับ see you on 18 November 18โอเคครับ บ๊ายบายครับ บ๊ายบาย
อาจารย์ครับ
ครับ
ของจักรพงศ์ครับก็คือผมต้องไปแก้final running ใช่ไหมครับ แล้วก็นำเสนออีกครั้งวันที่18
ใช่ครับ
โอเคครับขอบคุณครับ
โอเคนะครับ ไปแล้ว บ๊ายบาย ปิดนะ ปิดเลยนะครับ